goody, y'all? It's your girl Ifa and I'm back at it one more again, my loves. Here with another slay. Yes, boo. 50 Shades of Spring continues. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you will consider becoming a part of the Ifa crew. Before you leave today, and to do that, sis, all you gotta do is go down there and click the subscribe button. And to all my A1 since day one, what it do, boo? Or what it do, crew? Hey, what it do? Hey. So as y'all already know, for all my folks that done been here a couple times, I've been doing a series, the 50 Shades of Spring series, bringing you all these beautiful colors, baby. Yes. And I've also been bringing you all these beautiful ladies. Yes. We slaying these colorful units for the springtime. And today is no different. I am collaborating with another one of my YouTube sisters, another one of my wig baes, and her name is Miss Deanna Monet, baby. Yes, baby. Yeah, that's sis right there. That's sis. Deanna Monet is my YouTube sis, as I said, and she slays a wig, baby. So if you are not subscribed to her channel, sis, you need to go. And bro, let me not discriminate, sis and bro. Go check my sis out, y'all. She brings you some of the newest units. She even brings you a few of the older units sometimes. She will revamp a wig, boo. She even gives you her skincare routine. I'm talking about sis, she's spilling all kinds of tea, boo. So you guys make sure y'all go check her out. I am going to leave her channel link in this little eye in the sky and down in the description box below. Y'all make sure to go show my boo some love when you leave this review. All right, let's get into Miss Nahla, baby. Let's talk about Miss Nahla. This is another Color Bomb unit. I got her in the color OM Indigo Blue Dip. She does have the watercolor method look done to her. Watercolor ombre. It had the natural baby hairs, soft Swiss lace. It really, what I appreciated most about this unit is how natural. It was easy to make it look like I plucked it with a little bit of powder. I can appreciate that about it. It comes in a lot of beautiful colors. Look at all those beautiful colors. Yeah, she had the natural, the eye part. Can somebody tell me what that is? What's eye parting? What is that? Just, I mean, it looks like a lowercase L to me. I don't know. Am I missing something? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so let's talk about Miss Nahla. So this is probably the third or fourth color bomb unit that I have had, and I guess I just don't think, I don't know, I guess I think that it's gonna be different, which this is a bomb unit. It's beautiful, but I just feel like no, it's cute, but anyway, she's like a silky yacky texture. Running my fingers through her, not getting any tangling. Did not get any tangling, even though I had 52 little clips in the hair and all that other good stuff. She's not tangling. She did not shed. Like, sis, when I say minimal shedding, I went through and I'm talking about, I'm grabbing. Here's a little bit of shedding. I swear, y'all, this is like the most that I've gotten out of her since I've manipulated her and everything. I have not combed through her, but I'm manipulating her pretty good, and she's not giving me, like, I'm pulling. But anyway, so not really shedding. She is ear to ear. She is a little snug now, sis. I will say that. I have a 22.5-inch head, 23 on a swole day, and yeah, she tight. Yeah, so I tried to save these baby hairs as best as possible, and I've kind of gotten away from baby hairs, but I said, well, let's see. They gave it to me a manageable amount of baby hair, so let's lay these mugs down, which I think I did very good considering that I forgot to clean my forehead before I did it. That's Wigs 101. You understand? Wig install 101. If you got makeup on, remove the makeup off your forehead, sis, before you go installing some units, boo, because you're gonna get some issues. You understand? Like, big issues. It cakes up. I tried to go in with alcohol swabs after the fact, but the damage was already done, boo. I did use a little bit of heat from my hot comb just to lay the baby hairs down a little bit more back here and give me like the little, oh, look at what I just did. Look at that. Give me the little humpage that I like off to the side or whatever. Yeah, let's lay you down, girl. Stop playing with me, girl. You about to get cut, girl. You about to get cut. Don't make me cut you, girl. Cut you. But yeah, all in all, she's a cute unit. She is definitely, baby, she is springtime. You understand? Like, she is not thick. She is breathable. Like, she is spring, sis. Y'all see this throw action too? I like her a little bit more messy. Like, I'm liking the messier look. I don't like it all uniform and combed nice and neat. No, boo. Give me messy, boo. Give me messy. It just looks like a unit that needs to be just, I just woke up out of bed and I'm hit a sleigh type. So if you guys enjoyed this review, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below. That helps me in the YouTube algorithm, and I would definitely appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to go do that down below as well. I will leave a link to Deanna Monet's channel down in the description box. I will also put her up in the big eye in the sky. Please go check my boo out. She is the sweetest, most caring person, and y'all just don't forget to go check her out. If you're not subscribed to her channel yet, baby, you missing a lot, sis. So I love y'all. I thank God for y'all. And you know what? I hope you continue to be covered in his blood, boo. Till next time, love y'all.
OmniBeats.com